like to add na po, and my only statement is this. The BOI report has a lot of telltale signs of, if General Peñas will answer that, will not be taken from my time, but I'll just finish this general. No? The BOI report is littered with telltale signs of a stand down. Artillery delayed, hindi nag-work for a protocol, 11 a.m. alam na ang grid coordinates pala, hindi pa nag-provide ng support, merong mga helicopter hindi ginamit, ang DRC nandoon na 300 meters or so, withdraw balik sa highway. Mr. Chair, grabe ang data dito that there was an order to stand down. If there's one reason why President Aquino should be made to account for this is precisely because he has control of the operations. In fact, he has control of the operations. As mentioned kanina, precisely he should be held to account for this. And he may be immune from suit right now. But in DAP versus Honorable Dr. Carol Araulio, who is here right now, versus Aquino, the case of DAP, the Supreme Court held him accountable because he was the one in control of the DAP issue. That is why I think if there's one more reason, the SAF troopers were condemned to die as early as 7 a.m. because there was no support forthcoming. And for me, that is not only the fault of President Aquino merely because he allowed a suspended general to supervise the operation, but because he also ordered a stand down, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Honorable Colmenares. Last to react is Colonel Mangayes, please.
Sir, backyard po nila yan, sir eh. So, ng AFP, sir. Alam po nila yan, sir.
Mr.
Na
Chairman.
once, sir,
Mr. Chairman.
sir,
Yung word na ginamit niya, pwede bang maintindihan? Hindi namin nadinig.
Sir, backyard po yan ng... backyard po, sir. Backyard po, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sir, backyard po yan ng... Sir, backyard po yan ng AFP, sir.
Yes,
Assign po ako for 5 years dyan. 1 year po akong natulog dyan sa Sharif Agwak. Kapag po may gera dyan, lumabas ang lalaki, dalaw po yung armas nila, yung mga families nila, naglilikasan na rin po yan. Alam po nila yan, sir. At marami rin po silang asset dyan, sir. Hindi po ako naniniwala, sir, na wala po silang mga assets sa paligid, sir. And they have contacts with the different commanders dyan. Kasi kailangan nilang mag-survive pare-parehas dyan, sir. Ang naka-frontline dyan is mga tao natin, sir. And then with regards to sa question ni Sir Del Rosario, kung sino yung kausap, sir, hindi ko po masasabi. Pero 5 feet lang ang distance natin, peace process ang nababanggit.
Mr. Chair.
Man up, sir. We
Mr.
should
Chair.
man up, sir.
Thank you,
Mr. Chair.
Colonel Mangayes.